The way we do business has changed, and now the way we manage our security has too. Introducing AirKey, a smart electronic lock system created to give you simple and smart control over the security of your business. AirKey is the next evolution of locking systems, transforming your smartphone into a key. Available on both iPhone and Android, our system has been designed to meet the needs of business owners and office managers. Using the online app, you can manage who has access to your business, track entry and exit times, and even remotely send temporary access to visitors and contractors. AirKey is suited to the needs of all businesses and can be used to manage shared office environments, areas with regular visitors, or control access to sensitive stock such as alcohol or medicine. Our system can work with existing door hardware, only requiring a change of the cylinder for pain-free setup. We also offer padlock and wall reader options to suit the needs of your business. Our innovative system doesn't require a compromise on security, with drilling and plug pulling protection and an IP65 certification for use outdoors. Upgrade to AirKey now to unlock more secure and smart control of your business. AirKey, simple, smart, secure.